How to fix Facebook not loading. In today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and scroll down. Click now on storage option, and what you should do, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on first stop and click also OK. Now go to this option appear on top, you have to disallow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you now.